Hello, everyone. Welcome to another segment of intellectual brainstorming and academic excellence. My name is David Oni, and my YouTube channel is David Oni Quiz. And you will agree with me that this channel has been helpful, it has been edifying, it has been educative, informative. It has actually opened and widened our horizon in terms of knowledge and finance. Today I'm going to continue from where I stopped last time, which is the types of FBN mutual funds. Last time I discussed about the FBN money market, and I also discussed about the FBN ALA fund. So today I'm going to look at the FBN bond funds. So now today we will continue from where we stopped last time. So you understand me. So I'm going to look at FBN funds. So today we will look at the bond level, and if possible we can move into something else. So let's what do you understand by the FBN bond fund? The FBN bond fund actually focused on investment in bonds over over the medium to long term, medium to long term with with a low to medium risk. You understand? So with low to medium risk. What do I mean by that? What we're saying there is that when you're talking about the FBN bond fund, they talk about investment over medium to long term. So that's what we're saying. So when you are talking about bond under the FBN mutual fund, we dey talk say that kind of bond na to medium risk level. You understand? Medium risk level. Unlike the other one, when we talk about money market, where we say that the risk is very, very small. But in this level, the risk is what? It's a medium risk level. You can understand why I say it's a medium risk level. Now, money, is invested in a diverse number of high quality fixed income securities. So when your portfolio manager wants to invest the money for you, he go invest the money in high quality fixed income securities. And what are they? We are talking about government and corporate bonds, bank deposits and treasury bills. You understand? The mutual fund offers competitive returns, that is the interest that you're going to get from it is a bit higher than the one under the money market. That's what we're saying. On regular basis, and it is suitable for investors looking forward for stable income, looking for a stable income. To invest in that bond, if you wan put your money for that bond, it will require what we call 50,000 naira. So you can see when I said medium to long term risk, you understand? You now see the reason. The other one was for 5,000 naira. ALA bond was for 5,000 naira. Even the money market fund was 5,000 naira. But when you talk about the FBN bond fund, it will require you to put down 50,000 naira of your money. Shey you get now? So you can see that it's the long term medium risk security. That is why it is different from the other one. So this one na the big boys, but we're not saying that you cannot put more than that. You can put more than that. If you have more than that, of course you can put more than that. But what we're saying is that the minimum requirement that you can put into it is 50,000 naira. Shey you get? 50,000 naira with distribution to unit holder being paid out annually. Under this one, they go dey pay you every year. Under the money market, which me I dey do, dem dey pay me, though everything suppose to what we call 1 year, but every 3 months, they add up the interest to the amount of money I've put into the security, into the investment. Do you understand now? So this one, they go collect 50,000 naira from you if you want to start am. So there's a difference between this FBN bond fund and the money market fund and the ALA fund. ALA fund is what? Is 5,000 naira. Money market 5,000 naira. But FBN bond fund is what? Is 50,000 naira. So the difference what is clear. This one na for the big boys, but you will have what? Higher returns at the end of the day, and they will pay you per annum. So let's move to the next one, which is what I call the FBN balanced fund. The FBN balanced fund is what? Is a mutual fund that aims to earn a greater reward over a longer period. A greater reward over a what? A longer period. The fund invests what? In equities. What is equity? That is shares, bonds, money market instruments, and real estate and other securities in the capital market. And what do we mean by capital market? Capital market are what? I say money market is a bit different from the capital market. I think the capital market is where you put a large sum of money, something like that. You get it now. So if you are talking about the balance fund, so it's a bit more higher and more matured than the money market, because it deals on equities, it deals on what? On bonds, it deals on the money market instruments and other securities in the capital market. So that's why it is quite different. This means that a diverse range of investment instruments are included in in this fund. This one is more complex and a bit bigger than the other one. This one is recommended. Listen, it is actually recommended for investors who are looking for a medium risk investment solution that offers long-term capital growth, and competitive returns. What do I mean by competitive returns? That is, the returns are not stable. It can be higher, it can be lower. Do you get it now? That is different. That's what we mean by competitive returns. To invest in FBN balance fund, a minimum of 50,000 naira. Can you see now? 50,000 naira, just like the other one. FBN balanced fund. This one is similar to. So because the money is almost equal, 50,000 naira is required with returns to unit holders paid out annually. They will pay you annually. Can you see something now? They will pay you annually. So you can see the difference between that now. So the FBN balance fund and the FBN bond fund, they are similar to each other because the money is the same, 50,000, and they are also medium to risk. They are medium to long-term risk securities. You understand that? And apart from that, the returns are also very, very competitive. Now, what I will do at the end of this topic is that at the end of this lecture, I'll shoot a video where I'll put a broad spectrum of these things that I'm talking about. You will see them. I'll run the video on it. You see them live and direct. I promise you that I'll run the video on it. You see them live and direct. Both the halal, both the euro bond, both the dollar, all of them. You will see it so that you can know the reality of what we are talking about. We are not playing here. It's for the matured mind, people that want to succeed in life, people that want to make a difference. You understand now? So this platform no be for play. Now for what? For investment, for money. So if you want to make money, if you want to earn money, if you want to make a change in your life, if you want to adopt a different social stratification, if you want to change your level, your status in the society, if you want to move from the lower level to the middle class or to the upper level, then this program is for you. Now, what we're saying is that irrespective of what we call the iron law of oligarchy, you can also be among the oligarchy in the society. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't limit yourself. Don't think down upon yourself. Don't underestimate your ability or what you are capable of. You are born a champion and you can become the best in life of what you ever dream of becoming. So it is possible. Everything is possible in life. Now, on this note, I'm going to stop on this one because I don't want to rush it. So in the next one, I'm going to bring up the fifth and the sixth one that will round up on this series. And I know that I've done everything on what we call the mutual fund. The mutual fund. Don't forget, please invest this year. Invest this year. Every month, be putting something into your account. Make a difference in your life. Avoid extravagant living. Avoid liabilities. Avoid those things that will take money away from your pocket. Avoid excessive drinking. Some people will drink to a state of stupor. They'll become so drunk. They'll constitute something else to the society. This is not supposed to be.
So this year is a year of focus. This year is a what? Is a year for the champions. And I believe you are one of the champions. If you believe that, then go and invest your money in the right place. On this note, I will actually stop here. So if you never subscribe, go subscribe now. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye bye.